And this is my latest bicycle find. This is a Trek 7000 in a really beautiful platinum silver color. It's in immaculate condition. This bike was hardly ever ridden. I think this is a 2012 model. It's a 21 speed, grip shift, 7 gears on the rear. So everything looks really nice. This is just like I got it. Hadn't even cleaned this up yet. And we have 3 gears on the crank. Just a beautiful color. It's a 16-inch frame. It also came with a cyclometer on it, which I believe the battery's dead in it. Hadn't got that to work yet. Here's our sender unit here for that cyclometer, and it's got a magnet on the spoke. It's a 16-inch frame, too small for me. It's a step-through bike. Alpha aluminum, very lightweight. It's got 700 by 35C wheels and tires on here. Just a really smooth riding bike. Got rim brakes on here. Just a gorgeous color, kept inside. It's got Bontager rims, as well as tires on here. Really top-notch components here. Shimano in the rear, Shimano on the crank, rim brakes. Tires look like they're worn, but they actually are not. The back is the same. I think it's kind of the way they came. Very nice seat. Didn't have a bottle holder on here, but it's got a mount for a bottle holder. Quick release rims, front and rear. Just look how nice that is. Sometimes you see these chain guard protectors or chain protectors from dirt. They'll be yellowed or cracked. This one's still like new. Quick release on the front. It's got all the nice little end caps I like to see on the cables. This one's kind of tucked away here. Rear brake, rear derailleur, and we already saw the front derailleur. So look how pretty this is. Waterloo, Wisconsin. It's a hybrid bicycle, no front shock. Really like finding these unused type name brand bikes such as Trek. We'll give this a ride around the little park pond here. It's a little small for me. Just a really pretty bike. Show you how smooth this rides. And here we go. Just super smooth. Haven't had to make any adjustments to this. Here's the rear derailleur here. Very crisp and sharp. Actually, this is a little bit taller. This is a lady's bike. Find this a new owner. Gotta go through the gazebo here. See if I can show the shifting of the rear derailleur here. Very smooth. Hard to find bikes in really nice condition such as this. These 700 by 35C wheels are so smooth. Now we'll go through the gazebo again. Make one more time around. The lady I bought this from, she was in her 80s and she hadn't ridden in quite a while, kept it inside, kept her nice and healthy. She walks now, and she had bought this new. And that's a ride around on the Trek 7000 I recently purchased off our Facebook Marketplace in like new condition. Thank you very much for watching.